it's finished. All right, let's get to testing it, shall we? Okay, so we're gonna use this line as a measuring ruler to see how far it travels. This will be our range test. So let's go. Right now it's hard to control. Okay, so as you can see, we started off by this line and we ended right there. So we never even completed the whole ruler. It started out as a toy and now look what it is. It's a monstrosity, but anyway, it's a good monstrosity. So basically, this is what it looks like. So it has two big speed controllers with fans at the back, and then in the front it has the receiver, the remote receiver, and then in the middle is where you put the battery. It's connected and ready to go. Now all I have to do is switch on the speed controllers, like that, and then switch on the remote, and it's ready to go. In the previous video, I did a range test with the old receiver and remote. Let's do a new range test with the new speed controllers, new receiver and remote. All right, let's begin. We're starting off. All right, it's still going. It's still going. This thing is unstoppable. When I stand up, you get extra range. Oh, okay. It fell down. But it looks like it's because I was sitting down that the range was limited. But as soon as I stood up, the range improved. Woohoo! This is so much better. I don't have to I can turn little. Let's do a speed test, shall we? All right. So before I was just testing the range, now let's do a speed test. All right, are you ready? Woo, it's so much faster. Look at the range of this thing. As you can see, this is the receiver antenna, the two speed controllers right there. Looks like the switch came off for the speed controller. I can just stick it back on. Other than that, this is what it takes to make this thing so powerful. Speed test. 7.1 volt battery is right here. So all I have to do is just disconnect the 7.4 volt battery. There we go. And then connect the big dog. Boom. It's in. Now I just have to make some space so it fits. It should fit perfectly. See? Perfectly. So we are getting more power to the wheels, but there's also more weight, so that's a problem. Anyway, let's give it a test quickly because the motors are not going to survive that long. Start up slow. Okay, so are you ready for a speed test on 11 volts? Let's go. I know I can. All right, round two. Woo, take the turns nice and light. I don't know what speed this thing is going. Come on, more power. It's going in. Come on. Come on. Look at the speed of this thing. It's something else. And the motor is still good. I don't know if it's hot or not, but it looks like it's working just fine. I think it's because there's a resistor inside, connected to the motor itself, the rear motor. Come on, faster! Faster! I'm starting to get dizzy. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. What a big improvement. I can't wait to take this thing again. Maybe just give it another play with, but other than that, it was a great RC car. I can't believe those motors survived, you know? Anyway.